So today I'm going to be talking about how to keep your braids crisp for the summertime, how to refresh them. Fellas, this applies to you too. Some of y'all got cornrows, the Iversons, this method, and this stuff can work for you too. So first, I'm gonna go over what you need. Number one, you're going to need some form of like hair grease. This grease I love it. It's by Design Essentials. It's anti-itch hair and scalp treatment. It has like tea tree in it, so once you put it in your scalp, it gets like it makes it tingly. This is really good for the summertime because like when you're out in the sun and the sun is just beaming on your scalp, it starts to itch, and then if you scratch it, if your scalp is dry, it can flake up, and since you have braids in, the flakes can't go anywhere. So yeah, this is for that. The second thing that you need is some mousse. I love this mousse. This is also from Design Essentials. It's called Curl Enhancing Mousse with Olive Oil and Vitamin B Complex. I love this mousse. I put this all over my head and down here, which you will see a little bit later. So the third thing is this edge control. This edge control was about like $3-4. It's called First Touchdown Edge Tamer. It doesn't flake up. You can really use any edge control. It doesn't really matter. You're gonna need a satin scarf to tie everything down, and you're gonna need like a brush for your edges. I got this from the beauty supply store too. Any type of brush will work. Toothbrush, regular brush, whatever, it doesn't matter. So, better get right into it. Number one, I'm gonna take the grease. Get about like that much. Oh my god, my knuckle inside my hand is so ashy, but get about this much, right? I'm gonna place it. Place it on your hand like this, so it can melt a little bit. And you're gonna just take a little bit and put it in your scalp. Okay, so now that's in. You wanna take the mousse. Okay, like see, wait, this is like a quick thing, but see, like my hair is really fine and soft, so it tends to like stick out of my braids. The mousse will fix that, okay? So you're gonna take some mousse, put some in your hand, and you're going to put that over the braid. See how like the hairs are like sticking down? They're not poking out anymore. See? Look at that, you can't even tell. And you're gonna do this over and over until you cover all the braids that have the weird stuff hanging out. Okay, now just look at the difference between this side right here and then this side. Huge difference, all right? I'm gonna repeat on the other side. Ooh, this one being stubborn. Sometimes you might have to take it and like wrap it around, like if it's a lot hanging out. There we go. See, better already. Now the next step is the edge control. So I like to dip, I already have some on here now, but I want to dip it in and put it on like the comb part. I don't like putting it on my hand because that's what makes it like white and sticky. So you just want to like go over your edges just a little bit and make sure the product is on there. And then any excess you can just scrape off. Now what I like to do, I'm gonna go put some water on the brush part, because I like when it's wet, because sometimes like when it's dry it can scratch your skin and it makes it white. So hold on, I'm gonna put some water on this. Okay, so now that the bristle is wet, we're going to go ahead and start smoothing it out. Okay, so that's that. Oop, I still got some right there. Now, the last part. I'm gonna take this mousse again. See how it's like sticking up over there? This is like my actual hair, not my edges. So the mousse is gonna take care of that. So what you're gonna do, put some mousse in your hand. Like this much, I'm gonna use a lot. And you're going to slap it on all over your head. Then you're going to take your scarf, your satin scarf, and you're going to wrap your head. Well, not wrap it, but tie it on. And you want to tie it pretty tight, because this is what's going to keep everything nice and neat and flat. All right. So I'm gonna leave this on probably for about like 30 minutes and then take it off so you guys can see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so it's been about like an hour. I'm about to show y'all how it looks. So if this is an hour, you can only imagine like what it would look like if you did it overnight. So, ta-da! As you can see, it looks like brand spanking new. Like nothing is sticking up. Everything's dry. I still have like some of these sticking out, but that's okay because this one is really long. Like it's super long. But anyway, for the most part, yeah. So when my braids are like looking a little I do this and it brings them right back to life. Like, yes. And for everybody that's asking, Dakira does my braids. She's located in Baltimore. She's the best. You have to book in advance for her because she will be booked for the whole fucking month. Because that's what happened to me. So yeah, so any other questions, let me know. Let me know. Yeah. Peace out. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.